everyone, welcome to the Sharp Painting channel. Today we want to draw the rabbit and balloon and tell a story. Sharp Painting. Once upon a time, an exhibition was held in Panda Park every spring. Ice cream sellers put a strawberry, chocolate and vanilla ice cream in the ice cream with special spoons. A balloon vendor made colorful balloons into the shape of different animals. Tree, who was a rabbit, would walk in the park and listen to the musicians play the instruments and watch the children swinging in the playground. Balloon seller had dozens of inflated balloons tied to a wooden bench. Tree gave him the money to buy a big pink balloon. The balloon seller warned him, "I think you'd better get a blue balloon. That pink balloon is bigger than your body." Harry didn't want blue balloon. He wanted the pink balloon. The leash gripped him tightly, and so he went into the air. Up, up, and up, shouted the balloon seller. "I told you not to take the pink one." Suddenly the balloon burst, and Tree fell into the lake in the middle of Panda Park. When he came out of the lake and sat on the grass, the balloon seller passing by said to Tree, "I told you so," and gave Tree a blue balloon. Harry walked in the park and enjoyed all the things. When he went home at night, he tied the blue balloon to his bed. Today our story is over. Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the Sharp Painting channel and activate the bell so you don't miss our beautiful painting and stories. So today painting is finished. Until the next video, bye bye.